this is Caleb on the keys. Today we'll be playing Lightly Road, page 35, book 1. Remember to like and subscribe, and let's get into this song. So this is Lightly Road, not too much to talk about. Probably going to be a quicker tutorial, but still, let's do it. So it starts G, E, E's, and then F, D, D. So, and then in your left hand, it'll go G and E, so go, and then rest, and then you go G and F, so go, so go. And then this is C, D, E, F, and the same chord, but it's a little bit different in the left hand, so you go G, 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 and then this will go G and E, so staccato, then G, D, and then half note, E and G, so and then this will go C, E, G, G, E, and then C, D, E, and then it'll go, and then you see the P, which means it needs to get quieter, and it'll do D and G and F, so go. And you keep it quiet until you see the MP, so and you go D, E, F, so go. And you go G and E and E. So E, and then you go instead of E, you go C, C, G, G, C, and that's staccato. If you know me, it's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna do one time slow and then one time normal speed / fast with the metronome. Thank you everybody for sticking around and watching this video. Hope you learned a new song. Remember to like and subscribe, and bye!